Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to integrate Gusto with QuickBooks. Now, connecting Gusto with QuickBooks can save you loads of time by automatically syncing payroll expenses with your accounting records, and here's how to get them working together seamlessly. Step 1, log into Gusto. So you want to start by logging into your Gusto account, and from the dashboard you're going to click on the Apps or Integrations tab. Now this is your gateway to all compatible platforms. Step 2, find QuickBooks integration. Now scroll through the list of available integrations until you see QuickBooks Online. Click on it to start the connection process. Step 3, connect your QuickBooks account. Now you're going to be prompted to log into your QuickBooks Online account. So just use your Intuit's credentials and authorize Gusto to access your QuickBooks data. Step 4, map your charts of accounts. Now once connected, you're going to need to map your Gusto payroll data to your QuickBooks chart of accounts. Now this step ensures the payroll expenses they flow into your correct accounts and categories. Step 5, choose synchronization preferences. So now you're going to decide how often you want data to synchronize, either automatically after each payroll run or manually when you choose. Gusto allows some flexibility here depending of course on your workflow. Step 6, confirm and save. Now you gotta review all the details and hit save and finish to complete the integration. Gusto will now automatically push payroll data into QuickBooks each time you run payroll. That's it. Gusto and QuickBooks are now officially in sync. You have less manual data entry and cleaner books. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.